Hello everyone, today is Sunday, March 15th, 2020. I'm here in Warner Robins, Georgia. I am in a military town. I came here because of job relocation. So here here I am again, and I am shooting another video for my 2020 BMW X1. Here's just an update. I just wanted to take advantage of today's weather. I know it's not very sunny and hot today, but yeah, at least it does not rain, so why not? I washed this car yesterday, however it's already covered with pollen. Yellow dust is pollen. What I found out about Warner Robins, Georgia, is there are a lot of trees and also a lot of flowers, and those trees and flowers, they spread out pollens, a lot of pollens. Every day I see my car covered with pollens. You see the yellow dots here. A lot of pollens, yep. So actually I shot a video yesterday on this car right after I washed it, but yeah, I found a problem when I was editing the video because I forgot to turn on the stabilization feature. So even though the video was in 4K ultra high resolution, but it was too shaky to watch, so I didn't want you guys to feel that. It's a little bit windy right here. I hope my voice is not distorted in any way. So yeah, but I'm doing this as a hobby. I never thought I would like X1 this much, as I'm coming from BMW M4, which is a totally different car. But I really like this. It's very practical and it looks nice, and it has better gas mileage. So about gas mileage, on a full gas of tank, I can drive this car on highways for at least 450 miles, no problem. But on a regular road, maybe 400 miles. Yeah. But I am very happy with the fuel economy with this car, coming from BMW M4. So today I'm just gonna shoot this walk around video, then tell you guys the setup I have inside of my car. So here's my setup. So it's very simple inside. I have this phone holder. This is a magnetic plate, so I can put a metal plate right here. This is yeah, this metal plate comes from the this package when you buy this brand new. So you might get like rectangular ones, but I think I got this from somewhere else. Yeah, so like this, it's very convenient. So you don't need to do the adjust the extendable brackets like the traditional ones, but this is very convenient. I highly recommend this. There are also different kinds of magnetic phone holders, like the shorter one, but this is longer and it sticks to the windshield. There's another kind that has like a 3M double-sided tape, and but this is much smaller and you can stick it on your dashboard. But the downside of that is is you cannot really adjust it. I mean, you cannot move it around. Like when I have this suction cup, I can just stick it everywhere, like anywhere I want, but not with the 3M double-sided tape. Like that's common sense. So yeah, I'm going to put a Amazon link in my description. And so another okay, so the most important thing in my car is this little thing. This is a as you can see, it's a dash cam. It's a Garmin dash cam mini. I really like this. Like, it's a small and it does not obstruct your view. And when you put camera in this at this location, from the driver's side you cannot see it. Like it's always mirror right here, and yeah, like that you don't see anything, so nothing obstructs your view. So, and I captured a few like dangerous moments on my video. I mean dash cam. I'm not gonna upload all of those, but I will just pick a few that's more friendly, less dangerous and graphic. And yeah, it also helped me to get insurance claim processed, because within last 10 months I got hit from the behind. So I got rear-ended twice within 10 months. Can you believe that? Like, but I had this camera and it captured everything. I got hit right at the red light. I stopped at red light at an intersection, then somebody just hit me like twice. Like yeah, 2 incidents. Yeah, and I uploaded this the video footage to my insurance company, and they decided that it's not my fault. Also, the person who hit me, that person got ticketed by police. I called the police. So yeah, and also another one is for my GoPro. This here, this is a case, like a battery case. It also charges your GoPro battery. You can put 3 inside, but when you buy this, it's called a Talisman. So when you buy this on Amazon, you get this charging case plus 3 batteries. Of course, those are not GoPro batteries, but they are good enough. So a great deal. I'm going to put it Amazon link in my description. So one more setup is this. I think everyone has this, but I like this dual USB charge port. Oh, there's not like factory USB port, but if you plug in your phone cable directly into that, it just connects your phone to the car. I don't want that. I don't like that. I just use Bluetooth. So and also the thing is, with this charger, it charges your phone faster. Yep. Yeah, that's about it. This is my setup inside my car. Magnetic phone holder, this GoPro battery charger, and Garmin dash cam mini. Oh, plus this, I almost forgot, this BMW, how to call this, I don't know the name, I forgot it, but basically you stick this in your vent, and it blows out very nice fume. You cannot find this fume anywhere else. It's a BMW specific. Yes, very nice, and you have different selections. You can choose the smell you like. So it's not expensive at all. So yeah, I highly recommend. And this is just the Florida Sun Pass. Yeah, you can use it I think in 3 states: Florida, Georgia, and Carolina or something. if I remember correctly. Yeah, so that's my setup, and I'm gonna again show around my car from the inside. So what it's like from true owner's perspective, not from a car reviewer. Yeah, it's some maybe garbage receipts and some small items, and yeah, there are some coins there. Yep, another receipt, and there's some mask. All right. It's kind of annoying. Maybe I can change the door lock settings. Like I always need to, you know, push the button again in order to unlock the rear doors like this. Yeah. Here's a panda. I got this from Zoo Atlanta. Amazing zoo. I highly recommend everyone to go visit Zoo Atlanta. You can see panda, and this is yeah, this is nice. So my little friend, so I don't feel lonely in my car. Yeah, this is not from McDonald's. It's the paper package for this panda. And I think this is some yeah, some repair work. And there are two USB 3. Oh wait, this is USB-C ports. Yep. Oh, I love X1. I still have the smell. Oh, here's a GoPro stick. Okay, I'm gonna put my head on. There's an umbrella. I should put this in the front. Alright, so the most uncomfortable one for car owners. Yeah, there's more dirt and garbage. Wait, no garbage, but it just seems dirty. Yeah, there's some dust here. You see, I have a, oh, this is another setup. I have this paper towel, this microfiber towel to clean up the water after a car wash, and there's a sponge and a chemical. This is my favorite car wash chemical. It's my favorite. Like Rain X, they're the best. So I prefer wash my car on my own instead of bring my car to a machine, because I just enjoy the process. Sometimes I just feel like you know, taking a bath, my own bath. It just I just get satisfied by washing my car. And this is another microfiber towels, brand new. Here are more GoPro accessories. Oh, here's American flag. USA, USA, USA. Yeah. NRA bag. I got this as a member from the website. Yeah, I support NRA. I think that's it. Oh, okay. Here is a carpet. What? A heavy foam carpet cleaner. I have had this for over a year, and I never really used it, but I think I will use this one as like sometimes. You see the pollen? It's yellowish right now. Let me do this. See. Gosh, this is a crazy amount of pollens. gonna walk around for the last time before I wrap this video up. I'm gonna get my Florida license replaced. License plate. Yeah, I just I just became a Georgia resident, so yeah, even with pollens, it still looks nice, right? So that's it. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm a vlogger, I'm not a car reviewer, but I do this for fun. I hope you enjoy my vlogs too. As always, have a nice day. See you guys next time. Bye.